feet off ground. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a primitive slackline. In your kit you'll find 2 tree pros, which is super important because it protects the tree. You'll also find 2 slings which wrap around the tree, one of 3 meters and one of 2 meters for all types of trees. You also find 4 carabiners and 1 ring, which is a lightweight pulley system in place of the ratchet. And finally, you'll have your webbing. Setting up your slackline, the first thing you want to do is put your tree pro on. Unravel the tree pro, wrap it around the tree. Now remember, the higher you go, the less tension you're going to have to put into the system. If you're just starting, you want to have it low probably. So just wrap the tree pro around the tree like so. Grab your Velcro and just put one in place to prevent the tree pro moving. Now with the other remaining 3 Velcro pieces, you're going to use it to keep the sling in place. So just take your sling, wrap it around the tree, and now you just want to put your Velcro in place to prevent the sling moving. So just put the Velcro on top of the sling. So, and one at the back. Now, pull your sling together on the 2 loops. On this side, we're going to tension the slack line. So you want to put 2 carabiners into the loop. One, both facing in the same direction. Okay, that's this side done. So now you want to grab your webbing, find the end of the loop, come to the other end of the slack line, and on this one we've already set up this sling. We put 1 carabiner in place, which you want to clip the loop onto. Once clipped, the screw gate closed on the carabiner. Really important. Now, grab the webbing, keeping the webbing flat, run it across the other end, and then stop about 1/5 of the way. And this is where we're going to set up our pulley system. Just grab the webbing, fold it, push it through the ring from top to bottom, loop it, and just go again on top of the ring from top to bottom, pushing through. And now once pushed through, just put your finger in it to make sure there's enough room. Grab your carabiner, clip it through the loop, and now this bit is set up. Grab the top of the webbing from the ring. Now we're at the end with the sling with 2 carabiners. Push the webbing through the carabiner from top to bottom. Pull it a little bit. And now again we're going to go from top to bottom on this carabiner. And now we're going to go to the bottom carabiner and we're going to loop it from bottom to top. Pull it through, back to the 1 carabiner here, feed it through again, the webbing. Now this bit is important because you need to make sure this end of the webbing goes on the inside of the slack line. And now friction is going to hold it in place. So you know if you let go, you've done it right because the slack line shouldn't move. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull it. So obviously the more you pull, the tighter the slack line becomes. Now you can have a friend test the slack line to check if it's the right tension. Now we're just going to lock the pulley system in place. So just pull enough slack in the slack line, wrap it around the pulley system twice, do an overhand knot, let's do your second one. Make it super safe. Just wrapping around once. Just putting the slack line through the loop. Simple overhand knot. Now, most importantly, we need to lock the carabiners. All three of them. Now it's time to have some fun.